this is the right video for you, and this is my face. This is just to tell you that what we are doing here is legit. We are going to start a workshop where I'm going to start teaching you how to build a professional website like the one that I'm going to show you right now. If you are the kind of person that want to learn, want to upgrade your skills, this is the best video for you. And you are starting this challenge with just your phone, your smartphone. This is the reason why you should be more serious about this. Okay, you are going to start with your phone, and everything here is free of charge. I'm not charging you money. So let's go, let me show you what you need to learn. Okay, what you are learning from this workshop. I prefer showing you the practical so that you will know what you are going to gain in this workshop. Okay, you can see this is one of the websites that I have been creating. Okay, this is a premium website. You can see everything is in there. This is the Nexa website that I created. This website, if I tell you that this website doesn't take me more than 7 days for me to build this kind of beautiful website. And another thing is that this is not a static website, it's a real ecosystem that has products on it. You can log in. What this simply means is that you can log into this website and you can log out, and your details is going to be saved. Okay, I'm going to show you everything shortly. So when I come down to this, you can see that the ecosystem has almost 5 products on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products on it. And going further, I'm going to show you what will make you understand that this is my website. Okay, so when I come down to this place about the founder, my picture here, this is to tell you that anything that I'm telling you to do, make sure that it's for your own good workshop. And we are doing this with just phone. We are not using any other thing, with just your cell phone. So when I click on this sign in, okay, I click on sign in, you can see where I'm touching. So you can see that the next you can use Google. You can use Google to sign in or sign up. You can also use your normal email to sign up. So I click on this. You can see that my detail is already been saved. So I click on that. I click on sign. Let's see the magic. This is real back end. You can see that I connected all my social medias on this. This is all social media about the Nexa. So when I click on this Judith AI here, this Judith AI will tell you everything about this ecosystem without anybody explaining anything about the ecosystem. Judith AI is going to explain everything. So you can see here, I can ask Judith AI any question about this ecosystem. It's going to tell me more about it. You can see I ask it about, good morning, tell me more about the Nexa. You can see what it says. Good morning, boss. The Nexa is not just a platform, it is an AI driving income operating system. And you can see well detailed everything about the ecosystem here. So this is to tell you that anything that I'm showing you here, you are getting it free of charge. Okay, you are getting everything free of charge in this workshop. So you can see command center here. This is about the founder. The only person that is allowed to view command center is only founder. Command center is where we monitor the system to check if there is any error and all that. So when I come to this Oracle here, I click on this Oracle. Okay, you can see that Oracle will tell you or make you see and understand what you need to know about cryptocurrency and so on. Okay, so this is Oracle here. And then when we come to this Forge here, very powerful tools. You can see what it says right here. See money before the crowd. So you are going to see the practical method you can use to make money. Okay, let's click on it. I click on this. You can see the magic is detecting, calculating. What you can see right here, you can know that we can build a practical money making machines with just our phone. Okay, so I want to see you on Monday, being 20th of July 2026. We are going to start this workshop where I'm going to be showing you practical ways on how you can create something like this or something that is more powerful than this. Okay, so the reason why I'm showing you everything is just to tell you that there's a lot to learn in this Web3. A lot of people are cashing money. I was in my Facebook 2 days ago, and an ad just popped up, and it was a guy telling people that you should join him. It's going to teach you how to build website. And this person now is charging you 50K, 30K based on the grade you want to learn. And this person is charging, just imagine you learning this on your own and charging people. Do you know, just by running normal ad on Facebook, do you know thousands of people that will be patronizing you on that? There's a lot of money to make. I don't want to talk too much. I believe in practical. That's the reason why I'm showing you this practical. You can see make money in the next 24 hours. It's going to tell you everything. Join Facebook group for your own town. You can see it. Join Facebook group for your own town. You are a member of active local marketplace. So this is a well detailed what you must do that other people are not doing. That's what this is going to show you. Do you know how powerful this is? Someone priced this particular website. I showed him to one of my guy. He priced this particular website. He priced it $20,000, and I said I'm not selling it. I said I'm not selling it because I know how much I'm going to make with this website. So if you love this kind of content, if you love this kind of practical way to make money, not like I'm just showing you the theory, I'm showing you the practical way. If you love this kind of way of making money, all I want you to do is just to make sure that if you're seeing me in Facebook, okay, you are going to use the link. Okay, you are going to see my WhatsApp link there. Just message me on WhatsApp so that I'm going to add you to our group. Okay, the group that I'm going to, and I need only 100 persons. You can be a lucky person to be part of this 100 persons for this. Okay, so I need only 100 persons. You can be part of this. So message me immediately so that I can add you to the group. If you're seeing me on Facebook, make sure that you join our group, our WhatsApp group. Okay, because there is where we are going to start, gathering everybody, teaching you hand to hand, teaching you other things you need to know on how to make money online. So if this kind of content is what you need, make sure you like and join me, give me a sweet comment, and make sure that you subscribe. Okay, and also make sure that you share it to your friends so that they can see it, because it's going to be massive. See you guys at the top.